let's say you came across what you have on the whiteboard as a Jambite for the first time. Don't forget that in case you came across this type of equation, how can you solve this question? An organic compound containing 40.10% carbon and 6.67% hydrogen has an empirical formula of what? One thing you need to know is that the moment the percentage given to you is not up to 100%, then something is missing. And I said an organic compound. Now, the formula for hydrocarbon for any organic compound, we said we have this. But generally, we are said to be given what we call organic compound. So in that case, see, carbon is given, hydrogen is given, but oxygen, we don't know it. Now, for you to have your oxygen value, we are going to add this together. So we said oxygen is equal to carbon plus percentage of carbon plus percentage of hydrogen minus 100, because we are looking for the percentage of this. So the value for carbon is what? 40.10 plus 6.67 minus what? 100. Since we are looking for our oxygen, so let's point to the calculator. We have 40.10 plus 6.67. We have 46.77 minus 100. In that case, we have 53.23%. Now that our carbon percentage is given to be hydrogen, then you have oxygen. The value of carbon is 40.10. You underline it. So we call it percentage by mass of element. For this, we have 6 points. And this oxygen that we just showed the calculation, we have what? 53.23. So now, what is the atomic mass of carbon? So we have 40.10 divided by 12. This 6.67 divided by 1. We have 53.23 divided by 16. Now, let's point our calculator. So this will give us 3.32. This 6.67. Then 40.10 divided by 12. We have 3.34. In that case, we can easily say this is the smallest ratio there. So we said 3.34. This is how it works. Percentage by mass of elements divide by relative molecular mass of the element, which I just did here. Then divide by the smallest ratio. So and the smallest ratio here is what? This 3.32, and this 6.67 divided by 3.32. 3.32 divided by 3.32, we have 1 here. So this is said 3.34 divided by 3.32, we have 1. And for this, we have 6.67 divided by 3.32, then we have 2. So now, if we are to write out this, the carbon here is 1. That is for the empirical formula. Empirical formula. The carbon here is 1. The hydrogen here is H2. While the oxygen is what? This. In that case, we are only asked that an organic compound containing 40% carbon and 6.67 hydrogen as an empirical formula. And I stated earlier when I was showing you guys how you can easily solve a question like this, that something is missing. And what is missing from that organic compound is oxygen, which I'll show you guys how you can have or calculate for the percentage of the oxygen since it is not given. After that, we take it to the empirical formula table where we have our final answer to be CH2 what? Oxygen. This compound is option A. So guys, option C, sorry, not A, option C is the correct answer.